The brake system in the Volvo 140 series is one of the most important safety systems in the car. Its function is to slow down or stop the vehicle safely and under full control in any driving condition.
Patrick's Garage.
When a car is moving, it has kinetic energy. To stop the car, this energy must be converted into heat by friction between the brake pads or shoes and the rotating parts connected to the wheels. The brake system allows the driver to do this simply by pressing the brake pedal. In the Volvo 140 series, the braking system is hydraulic and dual circuit. This means that brake pressure is transmitted through a fluid and that there are two separate circuits. If one circuit fails, the other still works, providing braking. This is a key feature for safety. Let's look at how this system works. When the driver presses the brake pedal, the pedal pushrod moves the piston inside the master cylinder. The master cylinder is connected to a fluid reservoir and it contains two pistons in line. These pistons create pressure in the two separate hydraulic circuits. The brake fluid used in the system is special. It's non-compressible, meaning it doesn't change its volume when pressure is applied. That allows it to transmit force efficiently from the pedal to the brakes at all wheels. When the driver presses the pedal, pressure builds in the lines and acts on the wheel calipers. At each wheel, these contain small pistons that move outwards under pressure and press the brake pads against the disc or drums if you drive Volvo Amazon. The Volvo Amazon even later models were fitted with disc brakes at the front and drum brakes at the rear. 140 series had disc brakes on all four wheels. Disc brakes are more efficient because they cool faster and are less affected by water or heat. Each brake circuit in the Volvo 140 series operates both front and one rear wheel. For example, the both front and right rear brakes belong to one circuit, and the both front, again two, and left rear to the other. This design gives better stability if one circuit fails because braking remains balanced on both sides of the car. In the master cylinder, there are compensating ports that allow brake fluid to flow between the cylinder and the reservoir when the pedal is released. This keeps the system filled with fluid and prevents air from entering. When the pedal is pressed, these ports close. Pressure builds up and the fluid acts on the pistons at the wheels. When the pedal is released, the return springs push the pistons back, and fluid returns to the master cylinder. To warn the driver if one circuit fails, the Volvo 140 series has a pressure differential warning valve. This valve compares the pressure between the two circuits. If one side loses pressure, the valve piston moves and switches on a warning light on the instrument panel. The brake lines are made of steel, while flexible rubber hoses are used where movement is needed, such as between chassis and the wheels. These horses must be in good condition because if they crack or swell, braking efficiency is reduced. The brake fluid reservoir is made of transparent plastic so that the fluid level can be checked easily. If the level falls too low, air may enter the system, causing a soft or spongy pedal. After any work on the brakes, the system must be bled to remove air. During maintenance, it's important to check the level and color of brake fluid, the condition of hoses and connections, the thickness of pads and linings, and the correct operation of the warning light. Brake fluid should always be clean and clear. If it becomes dark or contaminated, it should be replaced. To summarize, the Volvo 140 series uses a hydraulic dual-circuit brake system. The master cylinder has 2 pistons for safety. Each circuit works for balance braking. The brake warning valve alerts the driver if pressure is lost. And the system works by converting pedal pressure into hydraulic pressure and finally into friction at the wheels. The system is simple, strong, and designed with safety in mind. A fine example of practical automotive engineering. Even today, studying the Volvo 140 series brake system gives a clear understanding of how modern hydraulic brakes evolved. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit the like button.
I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.